Good afternoon, everybody. This is John again from Volkswagenplanet, and I'd like to talk to you guys today real quick about maybe a new section that we could possibly start here on Volkswagenplanet. And this new section would be called maybe the NOS Box Stock. NOS meaning new old stock, preferably in the box, like I just showed you in the last video. This was bought roughly about 15 years ago. As you can tell, it did come from a VW dealership in Audi, but I bought this about 15 years ago. I want to say for $100 because the dealer was switching its name over from one name to another, and they had to get rid of all their old air-cooled stuff, and that's how I was able to obtain this. I do have a couple other pieces that are new old stock with the VW logos on them from the dealer. I'll probably be showing you those as I'm going through the 1968 standard, the 1968 auto stick. That is my pride and joy, and I will be trying to piece that back together to as close as NOS as possible, even down to the bolts. So that project's going to take a little bit longer, a little bit more expensive, but to me it's going to be well worth it. So if you guys have any parts out there that you would like to get rid of, maybe possibly sell, I don't want to say donate because I don't take out free items. I would love for you to either trade for something or possibly come up with a mutual price to buy the items, or if you'd like me to just maybe do a small little video on your items, I'd be more than happy to send them back to you. Whatever you guys want to do. This section would probably be more for the purist out there, like I have become, and I have been labeled that by a few members out there, which to me, if it's not OEM, then it doesn't belong on my cars. But unfortunately, we can't have all OEM parts 100% of the time, so we have to use the aftermarket junk. But this right here was one of my, I guess you could say, prized possessions, because you just don't see these every day, even on eBay, Samba, and everything else. So if you guys have anything that you would like to show, either put your channel below so I can make a video, put your name of your channel below so I can come watch what you have, or contact me through the comments below. Maybe we can get together depending on where you live. I live in Tampa, Florida, or if you want to be a little bit more private, you can always contact me through the contact area at Volkswagenplanet.com. I'll be more than happy to get back to you on that, and we'll just go from there. As always, guys, thank you for your support. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Maybe this could be a new section for all the purists out there. And if you have any comments, please list them below. Don't be afraid to talk. We don't bite. And we God bless you. God bless your family. You guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video. And I want to say one more thing, guys. You guys don't forget to enter into the $25 Wolfsburg West gift certificate contest or giveaway that's actually current live right now. The giveaway ends the last day of the month, and we're going to try to do we're going to put the list together, and we're going to do a random generator pick on the computer, and whoever's numbers match up will win it. It's just simply that simple, guys. And to enter, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button, comment below that you want in on the giveaway, and tell us what you would use the $25 gift certificate for on your vehicles or your projects. It's that simple, and it's that easy. You guys have a good day. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next video.